Hello friends, today I'm going to share with you a special and yummy donut recipe. And these gingerbread men, me and my mum decorated them. Look how soft these donuts are. How delicious they are. So let's start the recipe. Self-raising flour, sugar, very sugary, nutmeg, and mix. Make sure you have a cup of milk ready. One egg. Plop. Butter. Dry yeast. Now give it a good mix, just like I'm doing. Look, that's me. Now pour the mixture into our dry ingredients. It looks a bit weird. And mix. Put some oil on your surface and knead the dough for 10 to 15 minutes. It might take a while, but make sure you do that. So now you're going to put the dough inside a bowl and leave it for 2 hours. So dust your surface with flour and roll your dough. Get cookie cutters and put them in your dough. Here we got gingerbread men. And we also got some regular donuts, as you can see. So now you're gonna get some parchment paper and put all your donuts here. And then you're gonna get the mixture that was left and make more donuts. your donuts. To make your glaze, you're gonna add some butter, 2 cups of icing sugar, and some vanilla. Two to 3 teaspoons of milk and mix. Now you have to put your donuts in the glaze. Make sure you have a rack and you put the donuts on the rack. Shiny they look, the shiniest donuts I've ever seen. Here we are decorating our donuts. So here are our donuts. It was really fun making the donuts and I really enjoyed it. They taste super delicious. I hope you enjoyed this amazing recipe and you should try it. You will love it. These donuts are amazing. I hoped you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Happy cooking, Alafis. Bye.